What's up? My name's Alyssa. I'm a vegan dietitian. Let me show you how I make my bomb taco salad. For the dressing, add some olive oil, vinegar, lime, chili powder, maple syrup, garlic. Don't kiss a boy after this. Add some salt, mix it. Add it to black beans for protein, corns for carbs, avocado for healthy fats. Boom. Smash half an avocado, add some salt, add some pepper, put some lemon, mix it, put it on the toast, add the other half of the avocado, put the tahini. Oh yeah, looking good. Slow motion. Alright. Add some hemp seed, add some chili flakes, lemon, salt, ready to go. Cut the potatoes, add pepper and salt, cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, cut all your veggies. Ooh, rainbow. Pinto beans, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, chili flakes. Boom! What's up? I'm a vegan dietitian. Here's one of my favorite fresh summer bowls. Start by adding cauliflower and garlic to a food processor. Blend until it's smooth as a baby's bum bum. Add chickpeas for fiber, protein, and iron. Then add tomatoes, mint, parsley, and red onion. Now who's down for the easiest dressing ever? Add some olive oil and some lemon. Fun fact, this will help with iron absorption. Add some salt and some pepper. How you doing? Add some pita for a full balanced meal. Boom! Since my vegan taco bowl was so popular, I'm going to show you how I make my vegan taco meat. My name's Alyssa and I'm a vegan dietitian. Let's do this. Start by adding some olive oil and an onion and saute it until it's soft. Add some garlic. Then, surprise, surprise, add some chopped pecans. I know this is weird, just trust me, this is what gives the meaty texture. Add soy sauce and water. Now let's get spicy, let's get spicy. Add some cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, and paprika. Saute for about 1 to 2 minutes. What I love about this recipe is that it's high in fiber, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Have taco every day, not just on Tuesday. And to finish it all off, add some cooked quinoa. You can add more salt if you want, but be mindful that you already added soy sauce, which contains a lot of salt. It's your call, you do you, boo. Ta-da! Tonight, I added it to corn tortillas, I topped it off with veggies, and I added avocado cilantro sauce. Yum. Hey, I'm a vegan dietitian. Here's how I make this yummy sauce. You'll need an avocado, cilantro, lime, and salt. Add it to a blender, add water, and blend it until smooth. Smells good. Add it to tacos, salads, doggos. Bonjour, my name's Alyssa. I'm a vegan dietitian. Here's how I make my vegan tzatziki. Now, this might seem a little odd, but start by shredding your cucumber. Add it to a Scott towel or towel and pat it down to remove all the extra liquids. Add soaked cashews to your blender. I recommend soaking them overnight. You can also boil them for 15 minutes if you forget. This will make them smoother and more nutritious. Add some hot water, then lemon juice, vinegar, garlic, salt and pepper, and some fresh dill. Blend it all together. Add the cucumber and mix it just a little bit. Put it in the fridge for 1 hour so that it thickens. Voila! Add it to your salad, sandwich, dog. Hey, I'm a vegan dietitian. Here's how I make my Greek-inspired salad. On a salad base, add some chickpeas for protein and add some orzo for carbs. Now let's load it up with vegetables. Add tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, and then add some Kalamata olives. And then add vegan tzatziki all over. You can find the vegan tzatziki on my previous post. Ta-da! What's up? I'm a vegan dietitian. Here's how I make my chilled peanut butter and chocolate bites. Add chickpeas, peanut butter, maple syrup, coconut oil, vanilla extract, and salt. Blend it all together and add dark chocolate chips. The more the merrier. Use your hands to make small balls and put it in the freezer for at least 1 hour. Take a bite out whenever you're craving something sweet. Bon appétit, mes amis! What's up? I'm a vegan dietitian. Here's how I make my vegan cashew cheese. It's super easy and quick to make. Start by soaking cashews overnight or boil them for 30 minutes. Drain them and add them to a blender. Add some hot water, nutritional yeast, which is rich in B12, fresh garlic, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and salt. Then add your favorite dried herbs. I decided to use oregano. Blend it all together until smooth and add it to a bowl. You can eat it right away or put it in the fridge and have it later. Eat it with crackers, vegetables, or even put it in a sandwich. Voila! What's up? I'm a vegan dietitian. Here's how I make my vegan Thai salad. I start by making the white bean peanut sauce. Add the white kidney beans, then the soy sauce, all natural smooth peanut butter, rice vinegar, maple syrup, lime juice, garlic cloves, fresh ginger, and red crushed pepper. Blend it until it's smooth. Add your favorite veggies in a bowl and make sure to add peanuts, cilantro, and edamame. Add the sauce and voila, my balanced vegan Thai bowl. What's up? I'm a vegan dietitian. Here's how I make my green pistachio bowl. Start by cooking quinoa in broth. While it cooks, start making the dressing. Blend pistachios until they're smooth. Then add avocado, parsley, garlic, lime, water, red chili peppers, and salt. Blend it all together until smooth. Add quinoa for carbs, edamame for protein, vegetables like tomatoes and spinach. Voila!